Hello, in this video I will show how to test and run real-time in Arduino Uno using the button battery to keep the time. Let's start it. At first in the code, we will declare real-time library. Then this section is used to display time in LED matrix. Move to the next. This code is used to get time from computer at time when we upload the code. This section will decide time for Arduino Uno when starting up power. It will be time from computer, it means upload time, or time saved by the battery. Let's download the code. This time Arduino Uno still take time from the save time. So I will take our USB connector to make Arduino Uno get time when we upload the code. When we take out the USB connector, save time will become 0. So Arduino Uno will take time when we upload the code, 42 minutes 16 seconds. We can see the real model here. The Arduino Uno will take time at uploading the code, 42 minutes 16 seconds. In next section, I will push the reset button. We can see the time is not reset. It is continue counting. When I take out USB connector, the time was reset as time when we upload the code. Now is 0 minute 1 second. This is button battery. It's about 3 volts. This battery is usually used in our computer to keep real time when we turn off computer. I will install it into Arduino Uno to see what happened. Even I press reset button or take out USB connector, the time is still counting. Now I will compare the time in Arduino Uno and internet time. Now internet time is about faster 16 seconds. 5 minutes later, time in Arduino Uno and internet time are almost the same. It means in about 5 minutes, Arduino Uno shift time about 16 seconds. So the timekeeper circuit in Arduino Uno is not so exactly. I don't know why it's so not accurate. With this timekeeper, we cannot use for application like clock. How do you think about it? Please leave the comment. Thank you.